Welcome home, Healthy Organic and Easy by Michelle. Today we are making Welcome Home's Healthy Bell Pepper side dish. They are an excellent source of vitamin A, C, and potassium. Also, contain healthy dose of fiber, folate, and iron, and many other healthy benefits. So delicious and crunchy with every bite. It takes only 5 minutes. Let's make it! I never use sugar when I cook. This is a sugar-free homemade rice syrup. I have 2 other videos that show how you can make a homemade rice syrup and where you can buy rice syrup with low sugar levels. Please check them out. Oops! I didn't take a sesame oil video. Please, you have to add it. Smells so good. Let's set up the table. 맛있다.